us eating alone by ourselves.
Anytime you want to come over if Eric's out, it's fun. It beats eating it by ourselves too, even when it's the three of us. Oh, more, Daniel. Where's...
Oh, you have to send me these.
I will.